Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Umbral Choir. You begin with a unique, hidden home system, completely invisible to other empires. Your primary method of expansion involves hacking other systems to establish sanctuaries. These sanctuaries are also invisible and funnel all their resources directly back to your home system. You can even move your home system to another special node for a strategic advantage. Remember, all your ships are naturally cloaked, allowing for unseen movement and surprise. Hacking is absolutely central to the Umbral Choir's economy. It allows you to not only establish new sanctuaries, but also to steal valuable resources from your opponents. Every sanctuary you create will send all its generated food, industry, dust, science, and influence directly to your single home system. A key strategy is to abduct enemy sleeper agents, transforming them into powerful umbral shadows, which double their resource output. Focus on high food production in your home system to quickly grow your population. The Umbral Choir excels at stealth and subversion. Use your hacking abilities to devastating effect, causing system blackouts, disrupting enemy production, or even disabling their defenses. Infiltrate enemy systems to plant sleeper agents. These can then be abducted and converted into umbral shadows, your superpopulation. Your fleets are inherently cloaked, enabling you to move unseen and launch surprise attacks. Your military strategy should prioritize strategic infiltration and sabotage over direct, large-scale warfare. The Umbral Choir has several strong paths to victory. A conquest victory is uniquely achieved by establishing sanctuaries on every enemy home system. Their exceptional ability to steal and generate dust makes an economic victory very viable. With their population's strong science output, a science victory is also a natural fit. Finally, even a wonder victory is within reach by constructing the obelisks of spacetime, which provide immense boosts to your single, powerful home system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.